Nowadays, bad eating habits, stressful work environment, agitation around us and lack of regular physical activity make their mark on our body very quickly, and, because of this, they have become the main factors that influence our health. All this leads to an increase in blood sugar and, over time, to the onset of diabetes, one of the most widespread diseases of the 21st century worldwide. Normal blood glucose levels are between 70 and 120 milligrams of glucose per 100 milliliters of blood. If the glucose limits fall below 65 milligrams, hypoglycemia sets in, and in cases where they exceed 125 milligrams, it is hyperglycemia, a condition that can cause a major imbalance in the body. Fortunately, there are situations in which this health problem can be controlled without medication prescribed by a doctor, but with the help of a natural treatment based on regularly consumed fruits and vegetables, as well as with appropriate dietary supplements. Let's see the foods that lower blood sugar and prevent diabetes. Onion. Without a doubt, this is one of the most appreciated and used vegetables in any kitchen. Apart from the fact that it is delicious and tastes good in food, it contains a lot of vitamins and minerals that help lower blood sugar naturally. It can be added to salads, in various baked goods, or even in the form of tea, the drink being especially suitable for people who cough heavily due to a cold. Cinnamon. How do we lower our blood sugar with it? It is a spice with a significant effect in this regard, the recommended dose being at least 1 milligram every day. To ensure sufficient consumption, it can be added to tea or coffee, as well as to fruit salad or cereal yogurt. Cinnamon reduces insulin resistance, lowers bad cholesterol in the body, and thus prevents the onset of chronic diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. In addition, it stimulates memory, slows down hair loss, and plays a key role in weight loss. Lemons. These fruits are very suitable for patients with high blood sugar because they contain a large amount of antioxidants and vitamin C, having insulin-like properties. In addition to these benefits they have for lowering blood sugar quickly, lemons have a calming effect and help to cure cold or seasonal flu. Oranges. The most consumed citrus fruits during the winter contain a rich amount of phytonutrients, such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and pectins, which help oranges to fall into the category of foods that lower blood sugar and fight diabetes. Moreover, due to the fact that they have 90% water, these delicious fruits hydrate the body and strengthen the immune system. Berries. Because they contain fructose and many antioxidants, blackberries, currants, raspberries and strawberries do not allow glucose to accumulate in large amounts in the blood, being a reliable aid in lowering blood sugar. In addition to this feature, berries prevent cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Quinoa. This food is part of the cereal family, is very rich in fiber and contains magnesium, iron, calcium, potassium and copper, some ideal nutrients in the fight to lower blood sugar naturally. Quinoa seeds help maintain optimal functioning of the cardiovascular system, regulate the digestive system, and are recommended to reduce the risk of cancer. Apples. In addition to being tasty and nutritious, apples contain quercetin, an antioxidant that lowers blood sugar and prevents diabetes in the body. Apple juice plays a particularly important role in entraining some of the glucose to be excreted in the urine. The peels of this fruit are also high in fiber and ensure better intestinal transit. Avocado. Also called miracle fruit by nutritionists, it is rich in monounsaturated fats, substances that prevent the release of sugars in the blood, regardless of the method in which it is prepared for consumption. In addition, it contains oleic acid and helps lower cholesterol levels in the body. Carrots. In general, everyone knows that they are good for vision problems because they contain vitamin C. However, few people know that carrots are rich in carotenoids and antioxidants that protect the heart and keep insulin constant. It is recommended that they be eaten raw because boiling promotes the accumulation of an additional amount of glucose. Walnuts. If eaten regularly, every day, delicious nuts reduce the chance of developing type 2 diabetes by 20%. Why does it fall into the category of foods that lower blood sugar? Because walnuts have a lot of fiber, protein, vitamins A, B1, B2, B3 and calcium, but they are low in carbohydrates, being exactly what people with a predisposition to diabetes need. Now you should smash that like button and subscribe so you won't miss the next video.